you're looking to move to Ennis, or you're considering opening up a business in the area. Let's talk about it and see if it's a good move for you or not. Now, Ennis is just a short drive from the Dallas Metroplex. You have 3 primary access points to the town of Ennis, Texas as well. You have Interstate 45, Highway 287, and also Highway 34, which makes it an easy place to get to no matter if you're coming from Terrell, from Dallas, or the Fort Worth area, or even Arlington. It's a small town community that's growing, yet still offers the warmth of a small town feel. Now, with the current population over 22,000 people and a retail trade area population of 74,157, Ennis is a place where your business has room to grow and a market ready to be tapped in. It's a community on the rise. It's full of potential and opportunity here. And like I mentioned, being just 35 miles south from downtown Dallas, Ennis is a hub that combines accessible city amenities with the cost of living and quality of life benefits of a suburban locale. The well-developed roadways means less time commuting and more time enjoying life here. It's a balance that's hard to find anywhere else in the state of Texas. Industries here in Ennis, Texas are also booming. Over 40 sectors employing upwards to 4,000 individuals. This diversity in industry is a pillar of strength from the local economy here. In fact, the tax base of Ennis has doubled in the last 11 years, signaling a prosperous environment for businesses here. Now, before we get into just how much money the city has seen over the last decade and other information on why Ennis might be a place for you or your business, I want to introduce you to the channel. My name is Mariah Zuniga, and if you're thinking about making a move to the Ennis area or surrounding areas, make sure to check the description below for all of our contact information there. I'm here to help make that smooth move for you to Ennis or the surrounding areas. But let's get back to it. The city of Ennis, Texas has seen over $550 million in investments over the past decade as well, showcasing a community that, again, is not just growing, but it is thriving. To sweeten the deal, Ennis offers development incentives to businesses looking to start up, expand, or relocate. I've actually made it easier for you and attached the link to those incentives below, locally, state, downtown, and federally. So make sure you check those out. Ennis also prides itself in its public education system and superior public services, pillars of the community that value its residents here. These services contribute to a quality of life that attracts both business owners and their employees. If you're interested in learning more about the schools in Ennis, Texas and the demographics of the area, you can actually see that link below provided by niche.com and the Census Bureau. Being I'm a real estate agent, I can't discuss that with you, but I've attached that below for your leisure. You can see why you choose Ennis though. You're not just selecting a location, you're gaining a partner. The city's economic development team brings experience and expertise to the table, ensuring your transition to the dynamic community is as seamless as possible. For anyone thinking of making a move or moving their business to Ennis, it's clear that this Texas gem offers more than just a spot on the map. It offers a place where businesses and quality of life intersect to create something truly special. But honestly, that's not it. There are some commercial opportunities in Ennis, Texas, and I'm here to showcase those for you as well. Just check the link below to see those properties, and if you're looking to make a move or move your business to this area, drop us a message, give us a call, or schedule a free consultation so we can help make a smooth move for you to Ennis, Texas. Again, all that's in the description below. My name is Mariah Zuniga. Thanks for watching.